If you stumbled across this video, then hello, but it's basically an unboxing of a little present that I got myself for my birthday. So I'm actually turning 30 in a couple of weeks, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to treat myself. I've earned it. I've not, but I thought I'd treat myself, so I wanted to share it with you as it is obviously perfume related. Basically bought the Vanille Planifolia from Guerlain. So shopping on Guerlain is like a whole experience in itself. I got to obviously personalise the bottle for the same price, like it's not extra to personalise it. So I got to customise the bottle, and you know, it went through the whole thing, and like it's a really nice experience. And if you're doing something for like a special birthday or maybe for someone else as a gift, like it's just really nice, you know. And you are kind of paying that higher price, but you're paying for the quality, and you're paying for the brand, and you're paying for everything that kind of comes with buying a fragrance at that higher price. Is a little bit more justified to me. I've obviously bought from Guerlain before. I've got Spiritus de Vanille, and that was a whole experience. So let's unbox her. I mean, I have already unboxed this and smelt it, and like looked at it and everything, so it's not really like a first impressions or anything, this video. Like, I knew what this smelled like anyway. I mean, if you're buying a fragrance this expensive, sample it first. Always sample first. So I bought a sample of this before obviously buying it. What the box looks like, and then when you sort of open up the box, it comes with like a little tissue seal, and then open that, and then you get the fragrance, and you get like a little bag of samples and goodies, which is always a nice little touch, I find, when you're buying from somewhere like this. It's kind of, I kind of half expect that. This is the box. And then in the little bag, it comes with a little drawstring bag, which is nice because you can probably reuse this for something. You get a few samples. So I got a Absolute Allegoria, the Flora Bloom one. Looks like that, a little sample. I don't like that. Unfortunately, it's not my thing, but yeah. And then you got a little sample of like a serum. So these, which is nice. I need to use that. And then I also got a little sample of tobacco honey, which actually, this smells really good, but this to me is more of a masculine fragrance. So yeah, just a little, it's just a standard little sample, just looks like this. So yeah, quite pleased with that. I will say though, when I've bought from Guerlain, when I bought Spiritus de Vanille, that one came with a lot more, loads more samples, lots more different things, like a little decorative card, which I've actually got in a picture frame of one of their like really beautiful customized bee bottles. So I was just a little bit disappointed when I kind of got this, and this is kind of all you get. I mean, considering this fragrance is a lot of money, a lot more than Spiritus de Vanille. Yeah, I was kind of expecting just a little bit more, but I do love this anyway. So when you open it, this is what the fragrance looks like. So if I didn't say before, I have bought the Vanille Planifolia. I have used this and sprayed it a few times, so there is kind of a little dent on the go. You get a little card that kind of comes with it in the little box. So I shall read that one out, and it kind of gives you a little bit of information about how the fragrance is made. Vanille Planifolia Extrait 21 reveals the Guerlain vanilla in its most olfactory expression, and 21 is its golden number. Belonging to the Planifolia variety from Madagascar, it must be cold soaked in alcohol for 21 days in order to transform it into a tincture. Performed by hand, this age-old technique bestows the precious vanilla with its extraordinarily luscious scent. So yeah, basically, yeah, it's the way that they have to gather, I guess, the raw materials that go into this fragrance is what makes the price so high. So yeah, but anyway, on to kind of like the smell. This is a very kind of sweet ambery vanilla. It's woody and it's sweet. I would definitely say this is kind of not masculine, no. it's definitely unisex. I could see a man wearing this, but I would say it's straight down the middle. Like, it doesn't lean masculine. It probably leans a touch more feminine, actually, I would say, over masculine, but I could definitely see a man wearing this. So I got to obviously personalise my bottle. So I decided to pick black and then a gold kind of little seal here. I got to pick the lid as well. So that's a really nice touch on the lid. I did get it engraved on the back as well, so I got my name, my initials, and 30th. And then yeah, I think that was the only bits that you can personalise. So yeah, it looks like this, but this is now going to be a gem in my collection. I do feel like this needs to sit. The sample that I got is a lot stronger than this, so I feel like this needs to sit in my collection for a little while, and then it will get a lot stronger and a lot more potent. The sample that I had is like beast mode. Beast mode vanilla. You could smell it for like 24 hours. It stood the test of time. It lasted overnight into the next day. I could smell it on my skin the next day, so that just shows how sort of good the quality is in comparison to a lot of fragrances that you can buy today. Like, if it passes the overnight test for me, like, that is pretty damn good. So yeah, so the main notes are definitely spices, vanilla, and then amber as well, and there's definitely like a little bit of woodiness in there, but it is sweet, it's syrupy, it's very vanilla, but it's again, it's that rich decadent vanilla, not like a candy yummy cupcakey fluffy vanilla. No, this is like a really rich decadent deep vanilla. This I'm very, very happy with, and yeah, I mean, this is not really a review. I've had my eye on this for years, so I've just been waiting for like a good excuse to buy it, really. And what better excuse than my 30th birthday? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Yeah, thanks for watching.